Welcome to our company's brand new YouTube series, your go to guide for building and growing your personal brand for business online. We will be covering everything in social media, marketing, SEO strategies, Google Ads, and so much more, all in simple, practical, and powerful way. Hello everyone, my name is Ritika Patra. I am a student at IIM Nagpur and currently interning as a business developer at E Street Digital Marketing and IT Solutions. Since we work in the digital marketing, we thought, why not help you understand the basics too? So, in today's episode, we are going to explore basics about Google Ads. We're going to talk about what it is and how we're going to use it. So, let's go with what is Google Ads. Google Ad is a Google official online advertising platform. It lets businesses create ads that appear on Google Search, YouTube, websites across the Google Display Network. Whenever you search something like best running shoes, you see sponsors link right on top of those are the Google ads in action. So now I'm going to talk about why should we care about Google Ads and what makes it powerful. Now, for example, if I go on Google right now and search buy me an iPhone 15, let's see here. Yeah. Then you will see different price variations with different colors, different website for you to buy. Now that's the power of Google Ads in action. Now think about other places you can see ads. For example, today's news. If you go to any website like Hindustan Times, now there are some kind of ads too here and there. See, advertisement everywhere. But that's not relevant to you because that's not what you want. You want iPhone 15, but you don't want this. Why he's a fan? Why do you? What if you want to buy laptop or silicone? Anything. You don't need that. So that's why Dual Ad is powerful. Now there's one more thing that can blow your mind. If you search online, how many Google Ad search happens every day? 8.5 million. And having a 7 ads per page and then multiplying with 8.5 million, so you'll get a phenomenal number. Hundreds of millions of people searching every day, and you want to see hundreds and millions of ads. That's what makes Google Ad different and worthy. It shows you actual search behavior and what's genuinely interested to a person. That's why Google Ad is a phenomenal marketing tool today. It's not about visibility, it's about relevance and precision at its scale. So now you know the reason that why we should use our Google Ads. Now I'll give you 5 more solid reasons for considering it as a marketing tool for you. First is instant visibility on Google. If you set up your Google accounts properly and bid for the right keywords, your business can instantly appear at the top of your research. That means you don't have to wait for months to discover. You will start getting traffic to your website almost immediately. Second, paid versus organic. Now there is something important thing that you should know. If you want to appear at the top of your Google search without ads, that means organically without paying anything, then you should do SEO like search engine optimization, which is going to take some time, but it will also give you long-term benefits. But if you want to put some instant effect, instant impact, and you want results immediately, then you should go Google Ads. You can bypass that long process and show up instantly. Though, yes, it comes with a cost. It's like a fast lane to online visibility, but you're paying a small cost in front of it. Then the third is high intent targeting. Google Ads target people actively searching for what you offer. Unlike social media where users are just browsing, here they have intent to buy, learn, and take an action. Therefore, you're reaching to a right target, right place, and you're getting conversions, buying conversions, a legit one. Then there is the fourth one, measurable and controllable campaigning. Everything is tracked here: clicks, cost, conversion, how many people are visiting your website, how many people are clicking your ads. You know exactly what's working and what's not. Plus, you can control your budget through it. If this thing is not working, then you can cut down the budget and you can give that budget money to other thing which is working for you. And the last thing is hyper specific targeting. Google basically target by localization, time, age group and device, even specific interest or previous browsing behavior. It's super customizable. If you go to Google search right now, if you say grocery stores, it wouldn't show you grocery store of Los Angeles or New York. It will show it of your area, nearby places. So that's what is all Google Ads all about. That's the power of Google App. So, to sum it up, if you want fast traffic, go with Google Ads. If you're aiming for long term organic growth, focus on content and SEO. Ideally, do both. So, that was a quick intro to Google Ads. In the next video, I will show how to set up a campaign, choose the right keywords, and get most out of your budget. If this helped you, give this a thumbs up, drop your questions or experience in the comment, and hit that subscribe button to learn more with me. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, in the world of digital marketing, being smart with your strategy is what sets you apart. See you in the next one.